So I was talking to a friend of mine who specializes in interiors, convertible tops, and things like that. I was asking him about this back window, which is kind of hard to see out of. It's about 25 years old, I think. And I asked him if he wanted to replace it. He didn't, saying that there's an awful lot of work involved in replacing it. His suggestion was to apply plastic polish. So that's what we'll be doing today. In the course of our discussions, though, he said, "You see this mark right here?" And yeah. He says, when you fold up your convertible top, this piece right here ends up right there on the glass, well, on the plastic. And so as you go over bumps on the highway, the two of them will rub against each other and you'll get this chaff mark. So he said, when you put your top down, lay a towel right here and fold the top up so that it catches the towel, and the towel will insulate this from here and you won't get the chaff mark. You can probably hear the heat is running. It's only 15 degrees outside. It's not a blizzard yet, but they are predicting one. So let me show you what he recommends. There we go. Novus, there's 3 grades. And we're gonna find out how she does as far as cleaning up the back window. Well, I'm encouraged. I've done, just to this point here, I've only done the outside, so I have not done the inside. And this is with the number 2, definite improvement. I'm thinking what I should do is the inside, because there are marks like right here, and that's on the inside. So since I'm still learning, and this is still a test, do the inside, and that'll tell me if I'm spending too much time fussing with the outside. I gotta admit, I'm not the smartest crayon in the box, but this is very similar to polishing taillight lenses. Gee, plastic polish, different kinds of plastic, same idea. Gee, Bob. Back to work. Getting to the inside of the back window is quite an effort. I've detached it from the roof, but this is as far as you can fold it before it won't go any further. So I've been able to do this much, but the underside, the bottom half, I'm going to have to re-zip it and actually do it from inside the car, which looks like will be quite the gymnastic effort. We will continue. Well, there's no doubt that this is getting dirt off of it. One of the other issues I'm running into, I can just barely reach to the center of the window. You need somebody with real good long arms. And there's pretty much the finished product. The number 2 cleaner, that's the workhorse. The number 1, don't rely on that to solve any of your problems. It's really just kind of a dress up. So it's a lot better than it was. And let's find something else to do.